Hi everyone, it's Miss Santarsiero. Today we're going to be talking about area and perimeter. So area is the space that a shape takes up on the inside, and perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So I have a few shapes for us to take a look at today. First up is this red square. So last week we talked a lot about 2D shapes. So we know this is a square because all four sides are the same length. And to find the area and perimeter, I'm going to show us what we need to do. So to find the area, we're going to count all of the squares that make up the entire shape. So I'm going to use my marker to help me to keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I found that the area for this shape is 25. I could have done that another way that would have been a little more simple. I could have figured out that each row has 5, and I could have counted by 5s, and I could have said 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So either way, I got 25 for my area. Now perimeter, on the other hand, is measuring the distance or the length of the outside of the shape. So I'm just going to count the outside squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's really important to remember where you started counting so you don't lose track. So the perimeter for this shape is 20. Let's try another shape. I have a green rectangle. I'm going to put my green rectangle up on the board. Okay, so let's start with perimeter this time, which means let's count the outside. And let's go around and see the distance of this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we have 20 again for our perimeter. So that's interesting. These two shapes have the same perimeter, but they definitely don't look the same, and that's because they have different areas. So let's see how much area or space this shape takes up. Let's count all of the squares inside the shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the area for this rectangle is actually 21. So these two shapes have the same perimeter, which means it's the same distance around the outside of the shapes, but the amount of space that they take up on the inside is different, and that's why they look different. Let's do one more for practice. Let's start with this shape. So we don't actually have a name for this shape. It's a little bit different looking, but we can still calculate the area and perimeter using the same strategies. So the perimeter is the space on the outside, or the distance of the outside. So let's try to do that first. And I'm going to count the sides on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow! So the perimeter of this shape is also 20. And that's because I counted every outside edge. Now let's try to find the area of this shape, which means we're just counting the squares that make it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, so the area for this shape is 12. So now we know how to find the area and perimeter of multiple different shapes. We tried 3 different examples. Remember, the area is measuring how much space it takes up on the inside, and the perimeter is measuring the distance around the outside of the shape. You guys did a fantastic job. Feel free to watch this video again if you want some more practice. See you next time.